Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our new topic, that is selecting the drop down values from TestRigor. How we can able to select from TestRigor. Okay, here we can able to log in into the application and I have already created the suite for that selecting, and I'm going to take the application. This is the application I'm going to take it. Okay, this is my application. I can able to take this particular application, and here there is a drop down. Okay, first drop down, like whenever you click the drop down there are four options. First one is an empty, remaining 3 hours, morning, afternoon, evening. These are the three numbers we have. Okay, how we can able to select by using this test ringo. And here we have a drop down selection purpose. There are some set of options they are provided. Okay, this is basically you can able to use for enter and tab, escape, delete, backspace, control C and arrow right, arrow left, and this all the things will come under this. Okay, and you can able to use for enter store value from this and into that particular which is the one it is having. You can check like this, or you can able to for clicking for the checkbox you can able to use for enter and the position, and you can provide the checkbox like this. Okay, I'll show you for next video session checkbox and radio button how you can able to select for that. Okay, and here I'm going to show you for only for selecting a drop down value. There are set of actions they provided. Okay, select, you can able to provide the value from where, you can able to provide like this, or in the down they provided for some couple of sorry, select a first option from drop down, and like that you can specify, or you can directly number wise you can able to uh, like this you can provide. Select second option, can able to provide any one of them, or select option 10 from drop down. How it is like that, see, in case if they are asking this to say select a value from drop down name. Okay, this is the one case. You can directly pass it, or you can able to use it for select first or second or nth. Like this, you can able to from drop down option. You have to provide option from drop down. This is the another case. Okay, and another case is select first or second. Like this, you can able to pass it and option, and then from drop down. Like this you can pass it, or you can able to pass it select option, and you can able to pass it for number, which number you want to pass it, and from which drop down you want to use it. This is the simplest way to selecting for a drop down value. If you want to choose for multi selected values from a drop down, you can able to use for two times at a time, then you can able to select it. Okay. And here now I'm going to show you here. Okay, in the select drop down I'm going to take it up. Okay, I'm going to create for my custom operation select value, and here I'm going to use for this particular page is basically the drop down is coming very low, right? If it is in the top, if you use by default it will select, but we can't able to see the properly in a screenshot location. Then we can able to use for up to like this screenshot type. Okay, to scroll down by using this name you can able to provide, or you can able to provide for this particular drop down name of that. Okay, the name it is presented for question, top question, like this is there, that is the name we have for that this particular drop down. Okay, provide this name, or you can able to from where you have to, for we have, right, you can able to take the name of that label and we can able to use it. Okay, any one we can able to provide until the page contains. You can provide this one, or you can able to provide this one, both the cases. I'm going to scrolling purpose. I'm using this label name inside the for. Okay, and I'm going to use it for to selecting value purpose. I'm going to choose this one. For selecting, I'm going to choose this one. This particular one I'm going to choose. Okay, and I'm going to use it here. Select. I can able to use it here. Second option I can able to choose because we have first option become a empty, right? Second option, and then from, and I can able to pass it for the drop down value. Okay, then add and run. Once we can able to start the run, you can able to, it will take some couple of minutes to load the entire thing because we have like everything, it will run on the background if you can't able to see the properly. Okay, it is now in progress. Once it is done, we can able to see the video first. Okay, then we'll see for the screenshots whether it is selected or not. Now it is passed. If you play the playground, the video trans is in progress to please wait. It is asking to sometime we need to wait. Again it is showing wait. Okay, we'll go for screenshots. Meanwhile, you can see it is selected for morning also. But if you want to do it for like you want to verify that morning is verified or not, like morning is added into that particular page or not, means we can able to use the another step that is called contents. Check page contains this morning. If morning is selected, then we can able to uh, execute it properly, means our drop down value is selected. Again I'm running the script. Okay, again I'm running a script. Next video session time I will tell you that drop the checkbox and radio button and how we can able to choose it these two options in a row. Okay, and after that we'll go for remaining concepts. Now still it is in progress. It will take the couple of minutes to completion. That's why it is take more time. Because it need to be load entire thing and you need to create the video and everything load, right? That's why it is taking more. See, it is selected here, still in progress is there. If you click here, see selected is happen and it is waiting for completion of checking the page contain morning or not. That's why it is waiting. Only for that check constraints on purpose it is waiting more time. Wait time is more. That's why that is the one problem. I'll hold on the video until that particular one completion. Okay. Or else if it is now test case got passed, it is taking 6 minutes 4 seconds. It's a bit long. Okay. Only one screen purpose we waited for more time. This is the one you can able to see. A morning and also it is verified the box. This particular location the morning is presented. That's why they given for green color here. Okay. This is a way we can able to check it up all the screens also. One by one we can able to select what are the values you want. If you want for second option now, you can able to go ahead in the top. Here you can able to second option, right? Now you can able to provide for option third. If you want third, you can able to provide for third option third and you can try it. Okay, definitely it will work. From third value, you are going to select from the drop down. Any place, any URL, any web page, you can any web page you can able to test by using like this. Okay, this is the simplest way to select for drop down. No need to no need for any complex code comparing to any other language. Even manual testers can able to do very fast on this. Okay, I hope this entire information will help you to learn for this and for manual testing to automation side by using this test Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to your friends and colleagues.